In this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube videos. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. To delete a YouTube video, all you have to do now, go to your Play Store or App Store and install this application called YouTube Studio. Search for YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, here is it. So just make sure to install this application. As you can see now, I already installed my own. So all you have to do now, after you install this application, go and open the app. So if you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail that you used to on your YouTube channel. So all you have to do now, after you log in with your Gmail for your YouTube channel, all you have to do now, it will show you interface like this. It will give you everything about your YouTube channel. So to delete a video, all you have to do now, tap on this content section, this content. After you tap on this content, all you have to do now, you can be able to see all videos on your YouTube channel. So if you want to delete a video, all you have to do now, tap on this section, tap on this three dot. As you can see, this one, this little three dot beside the video that you want to delete. For me, I want to delete this video, so tap on the three dot. Under this three dot, all you have to do now, tap on this delete button. So confirm deleting. So as you can see now I delete this video on my YouTube channel. That's it guys on how to delete a video on YouTube. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.